I'm going to show you from start to finish how to get a button that goes somewhere into your Canvas page. So first we're going to go over to thebuttonfactory.com and you will have this page show up. So on the left here is just where you enter your text, so I can change it to whatever I would like. And then I can change the color of my text, an unlimited amount of colors. My background, I can make it one color, two colors, gradient, or pyramid. And that's where you see the stuff in the middle. I can switch those two colors to make the dark on the outside. I can make my letters bigger. I can make my font different. When I am finished, I'm just going to go to this little button right here that says download. And it's going to download to my desktop, as you can see right here, a PNG file. Now I just need to go back to my Canvas course and edit the page that I'm on. Put my cursor where I want the image to go. And then I'm going to upload the image just like I do all other images. Go choose it from my desktop. Hit open, upload. And there it is. Now it's still not a button because it doesn't go anywhere. It's just an image right now. So I'm going to highlight that image and I'm going to come over here to links. And then I'm going to go to, let's see, maybe an assignment. Oh, look, I do have a practice assignment. So I'm just going to click on that, and when it turns yellow, you know that it worked. So I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to go check to make sure that button actually goes where I want it to go. And there it went to the practice assignment. That is how you create a button in Canvas.